Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Muna Driving Training in Abu Dhabi. So I hope you are well, and if you are new watching my channel, thank you for watching. And if you want, subscribe, press the button to receive all news regarding training in Abu Dhabi with Muna. So today, good morning, Madam Fatima.
Good morning, Madam Mona.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you too?
Alhamdulillah. Well, how we can say how are you in Tanzania?
You can say habari jambo.
Jambo.
Eh,
So Madam Fatima, she's from Tanzania. So hi for all people from Tanzania, here in Emirat or out of Emirat. Today we have a new video regarding how to use your hand with the steering. How to use your steering properly. So, Madam Fatima, show me how to use your hand if I am going straight. Like this, okay?
Yeah.
So if I'm going straight, your hand all the time in the steering in this position. This position we call it turn to turn. Turn to turn means you have to know or to just keep in your mind that the steering is like a clock. Is it? So my hand, if I am going straight, turn to turn position, turn to 10 o'clock. It will give you more control and it's safe for you. Some people, they are using like this 9 to 15, okay? But for us, we have more experience in this position. It's very safe and more control, believe me. So Madam Fatima, this turn to turn all the time position while driving straight, the position of your hand with the steering. Is it? Now if I'm going to turn, and especially if I'm making U-turn, how to use your hand and the steering? Show me, Fatima, quickly please. Yeah, what we call this position, this kind of the way how you are using your steering?
Turn to turn.
Not 10 to 10 if I'm going straight, but now you are making like scissor method, hand over hand. You can make you turn on the right, please. Yeah, quickly, please. Very good. And when you finish, please keep it close to each other. Your hand all the time on the top of your steering and close to each other. Now, please make it left.
Left.
You turn left.
Okay.
Quickly, please. Respect the position. Scissor method. Keep your hand up, up. Yes, very good. Again, please. To the right. Quickly, quickly. Very good. Hand over hand. It will give you more control while turning. Now your steering is full right. Direction of the tires to the right. Is it clear?
Is it okay?
So how to make my car straight? Make it straight, please. One, two times opposite. Again, please repeat. Full steering left, full steering left. Now my car is going to the left. The tires, direction of the tires to the left. Now make it straight. Make it straight. 1, 2. Very good. Keep your hand all the time. Turn to turn. So, Madam Fatima, this video, this is for a beginner, for those who are the first time driving in the road or driving car. So the basic of driving, to know how to use your hand in the steering, how to use your steering properly and correctly, safely. We will repeat. If I am going straight, my hand should be turn to turn like this. 1 minute. Turn to turn like this position. And if I'm turning right, make right please, Madam Fatima. Right. Quickly. Very good. We are using hand over hand. Okay? Make you turn left. Quickly, Madam Fatima. Very good. And all the time keep your hand close to each other. So this is the way how I have to use my hand to steering. So I hope that it will help you, especially those who are beginners for driving. And if you like my video, just press like, share with your friend, and subscribe. Press the button to receive all news regarding driving training in Abu Dhabi. Thank you very much, Madam Fatima from Tanzania.
Welcome, Madam Muna.
And thank you for all. See you inshallah in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.